Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Samata Learn and Grow. In this video, we are going to do addition of double digits with double digits. Okay? Yes, clear the scale. The first sum 17 plus 21 plus 11. So, as usual, you have to take from the tens rod one bit, that is 10. 17 means 7 in the ones rod. It's 17 now. Next plus 21. You have to move 2 bits at a time in the tens rod and 1 in the ones rod. 11 means 10 in the tens rod and 1 in the ones rod. Now what is our value? It's 49. Clear the scale. Next sum 25 plus 12 plus 52. Clear the scale. 25 plus 12 plus 52. Now what is our value here? It's 89. Clear the scale, children. Third sum 22 plus 11 plus 11. Clear the scale. 22 plus 11 plus 11. So what is our value? It's 44. Clear the scale. Next, fourth one. 55 plus 22 plus 22. 55 plus 22 plus 22. Now what is our value? It's 99. Clear the scale. Next, fifth sum. It's 13 plus 55 plus 11. 13 plus 55 plus 11. What is our value now? 79. Remember, children, the value above the bar line you have to move with the index finger. Below the bar line with the thumb finger. Okay? Next, sixth one. 23 plus 51 plus 25. 23 plus 51 plus 25. What is our value now? It's 99. Okay, now move the scale down. Here, clear the scale. Next sum 24 plus 50 plus 15. 24 plus 50 plus 15. What is our value now? It's 89. Clear the scale. Next sum 22 plus 52 plus 25. 22 plus 52 plus 25. What is our value now? It's 99. Clear the scale. 17 plus 31 plus 50. Okay. Next sum 17 plus 31 plus 50. Clear the scale. 17 plus 31 plus 50. It's 98. Clear the scale. Next sum 18 plus 10 plus 20. 18 plus 10 plus 20. So what is our value now? 48. Clear the scale. 13 plus 60 plus 16. 13 plus 60 plus 16. 89. Now clear the scale. 23 plus 70 plus 0. 23 plus 70. 0 means you should not move any bit. Now what is our value? It's 93. Okay friends, in the next video we'll see few more sums. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Bye. Take care.